Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Yan, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases for your iPhone 13. But not only that, we're going to also be taking a look at even more cases. Yeah, I have a lot of unboxing to do now. Cue the intro. Alright, so needless to say, I've got a few of these. iPhone 13 is out. You'll want to protect it with a case because I don't care how strong Apple says these things are. I'm not gonna trust that. The other day, I was getting out of the car. I had my phone in my hand, and apparently I just tried to open the door with the phone hand. And obviously that didn't work out too well, and my phone flopped out onto the pavement. Thankfully, it had one of these super protective cases on there, and there is not a scratch or a ding on it, which is absolutely fantastic. It wasn't even like a drop test. Obviously, I wouldn't have the recording for you if it was, but like, yeah, it's great. This year, Casetify completely revamped all of their case lineup. So they still have their regular impact cases. These are more of your thin and light cases. They have Ultra Impact, which give you a little bit of extra protection. And they have their Crush cases, which offer more customization while reducing carbon emissions. I think one of my favorites is this one, the Dragon. You can change this to several different colors and pretty much put this design on any case design, which is awesome. Plus, I mean, just look at this. It's customized with my name on it. Like, this is awesome. If you do this for a friend or a family member as a gift, they are going to love it. I used this case when I was out shooting the astrophotography for iPhone 13. I don't know if that video is out yet. And I dropped it in the dirt, and it protected my phone perfectly. No dust even got in between the case and the phone, which I think is key, because if you have that rubbing up against that glass back, you're gonna scratch it up really easily. Especially this year, the iPhone 13's got those massive camera bumps. Casetify has got you covered because they make a protector for the camera, so you can stick that on the back and not have to worry about it. They also make screen protectors. That's the one I'm using right now, and it's pretty awesome. And it's protected my phone throughout the time that I've had it so far. This one's got my initials monogrammed all throughout the back. It's got this like really cool pattern. I asked Casetify to send me this one. This is mostly because I'm a fan of food, you know, because I like food. These new lines of cases, the Impact and the Ultra Impact, they are made of 65% recycled plant-based materials. All the packaging is 100% recycled. And if you're upgrading your phone and you somehow just end up with a bunch of extra cases, iPhone XR case right here, iPhone 7 or 8, I think, you can actually recycle these cases by giving them to Casetify, which is awesome because one of your old cases is probably going to end up as somebody's new case. And if you notice, some of these cases have those little specks built into it. Those specks are recycled phone cases, which is great, reduces the carbon footprint. And all of their cases feature their Defensify technology, which is an antimicrobial coating that helps keep bacteria from growing on your phone so it doesn't get all gross. It has their Chi-Tech 2.0 technology. The regular impact cases will protect your phone up to 6.6 feet. Now, if you go for the more protective Ultra Impact models, your phone will be safe up to a 9.8 foot drop. You can choose from literally thousands of different design combinations. You can add in your own images, you can add in your own monograms, your logo, your name. However you want to customize your case, you can do it. If you guys follow me on the channel, you know I don't often do sponsorships, and when I do, it's for a good reason, and it's usually for a really good company. I did one of these videos for Casetify last year, and I've been using their iPhone 12 Pro case on my iPhone 12, and one of my favorites was the Fragile sticker case. I don't know if you guys can see that. I've had it in a pool, I've dropped this phone, the rubber and the plastic has not fallen apart, and it just feels like really, I don't know, this is like really weird. But like it feels really solid, you know? Go to casetify.com/YNZ and you'll get a 15% off code. So anything you see here, anything you can think of that you can imagine, you can get 15% off. pretty good deal. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have an iPhone 13 or you're planning on getting one, I highly recommend getting a Casetify case. Now don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.